Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Avinash Kumar. Welcome back to Asana X. In this video, we will learn about Vrikshasana step by step. Before we start, avoid this asana if you have a recent ankle, knee or hip injury, severe balance problems, vertigo or frequent dizziness. If you are a beginner, practice near a wall for support. Do not place your foot directly on the side of the knee joint. Step 1. Stand straight and open feet slightly for better balance. Step 2. Shift your weight onto your left leg. Bend your right knee and bring the right foot up. Step 3. Place the sole of your right foot against the inner thigh. Avoid placing it directly on the knee. Step 4. Extend your arms and raise it overhead and join the palms together. Step 5. Lengthen your spine and fix your gaze on one stationary point in front of you. Breathe slowly and normally. Hold the pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Step 6. Slowly lower your arms, release your right leg and return to standing position. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. Avoid these common mistakes: looking around while balancing, placing the foot directly on the knee, collapsing the standing hip, holding the breath, rushing into the pose, forcing the foot higher than flexibility allows. Benefits: regular practice of Vrikshasana may improve balance, coordination and concentration, strengthen the legs, ankles and core muscles, improve posture and body awareness, improve flexibility of the hips and inner thighs, help reduce stress and promote mental relaxation. So that's how you practice Vrikshasana correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. In next video, we will learn about Utkat Asana. If you want to learn Surya Namaskar, then please visit here. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.